This, what we have right here, is the XTERRA FB150 folding exercise bicycle. A good friend of mine has had this thing for a while now, and because he knows that I like to make videos of these products, he went ahead and loaned it to me so that I could get on it and I could use it. And I got to tell you, it was very surprising to me. When you look at the value of this thing, the build quality as opposed to the price of it, very, very good. All of the welds are good, all of the connections are good, very good fit and finish on the product. And it gives a surprisingly good workout considering how simple an item it is. But the thing that surprised me most about it was how well it measured my pulse. When I grab it and it shows me my pulse, that's my pulse. Everything works. Everything does exactly what it's supposed to do. As you can see, the display has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different functions. Many different tension adjustments from high to low to high again. And it's got excellent materials and excellent construction. The XTERRA FB150, it's a great value. I am super glad that my friend loaned it to me so that I could make this video for you. Now, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe, leave a comment, and even if you didn't like the video, I want you to have a good day, I want you to have a good week, a good year, and I want you to have a good life.